Hello, welcome to All-in-One PHG. Today I am going to explain what is mode, how to solve a given mode sum, and just recapping the mean and median and some models. Now, what is a mode? Before knowing about the mode, let us recap. In my last videos, I told about mean and median. I'll just recap this and I will explain what is mode. Now, what is mean? Now, what is mean? The mean is the average of given observations. Now, next, what is median? Median is the midless term of given observations. Why I am explaining again these are because if you look at an exam or if you go to an examination hall, you will attend the test or in a textbook, they will give the combination of mean and median sums. They will give specific mean sums and specific median sums. And they will give in between mean and median combination sums. Now, mode. The mode also they will give separate sums. But they will give these three combination sums. So, mode is also important for this mean and median. So, now what is mode? Mode is mode of a set of observations is the given value of observations that occur more frequently. Now, let us take some example. They have given some terms like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now, in these sums, which are occurred frequently? 2 is occurred 2 times, 3 is occurred 1 time, 5 is occurred 2 times, 6 is occurred 1 time, but 1 is occurred 3 times. So, in this given values, the mode is 1. Now, in the given observations, which terms are having more number of frequencies is called as mode. Now, let us look at some examples. Now, we took some observations. In these observations, 8 is repeated continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 is repeated, whereas 3 is repeated 1 time, 5 is repeated 2 times, 6 is repeated 1 time, 7 is repeated 2 times, 10 is repeated no times, 12 is 0 times, 15 is 0 times. So, number of frequency in this is 8 is more. So that mode is equal to 8. Now, let us do one sum in the combination of mode, mean and median. Now, here is a sum where 12 in which 12, 24, 24, 12, 30, 12. First, we need to find median. We need to find mean. For mean, we need to take the formula sum of observations by number of. After taking this, we need to take the formula sum of observations by number of observations. Now, we need to write these values: 12, 24, 24, 12, 30, 12. There are 6 observations. So, we need to write the 6 observations here, which gives like this. Now, we need to add all these observations, which gives 144 by 6. After that, it will be here. Now we need to cancel this and this, which gives answer is 19. Therefore, mean is equal to 19. Now let us next do mean. Next, we will do for all these observations median. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 observations. They are not arranged in ascending order. So first we need to arrange them in ascending order. I have arranged them in ascending order. As they are even 6, so they are even. We need to use the formula 1 by 2 is equal 1 by 2 into n by 2 the term plus n by 2 plus 1 the term. Now write the formula here. We have wrote the formula here. Now we need to write this in the next step, where we should write 1 by 2. We are having 6, so 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1. Now we need to cancel them. 2 table 3 times, 2 table 3 times. 3 plus 1 here 4. So we need to write the next. We have wrote the next step, which gives 1 by 2 into third term and fourth term. In this, third term is 12 and fourth term is 24. We need to write them here. 12 plus 24. We need to add this birth term. After adding this, we will get 36 by 2. We need to cancel them. 2 table 18 times. Therefore, median is equal to 18. Now let us do mode. Now for this mode, in this 12 is given 3 times, 24 is given 2 times and 30 is given 1 time. So 12 is having higher frequency in this observation. So mode is 12. We need to write a statement that the frequency of 12 is more. So median is mode is equal to 12. Therefore, mode is equal to 12. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.